I really need to think this over is a stall you must have heard many times. Who hasn't? From my point of view, I will never accept I want to think it over without seriously challenging it first. I'd usually prefer a no rather than having to follow up time and time again and often not getting my calls returned, but graciously being given unlimited access to their voicemail. There are two ways I use to deal with I want or need to think it over. The first and easiest is to say this: Mr. Prospect, I appreciate you feel you want to think it over. Generally speaking, when someone says that to me, it means I haven't explained something properly. So please tell me, what is it I've not made clear? And then keep absolutely silent for as long as you need to before they respond. By using these precise words, you're blaming yourself rather than being confrontational, and you're much more likely to uncover those hidden concerns. There's another way of dealing with I want to think about it, which is what I call the upfront contract. You can learn how to do this in the next video. It's a way of getting the prospect to agree not to think it over right up front at the beginning of the meeting.